Welcome back to CyberTechX, Ravin, our YouTube channel, and you are watching episode 4 of our AWS playlist. Okay, so I am Ravin, and in today's video, we are going to host a static website on a EC2 instance using Apache2 server. Okay, and all in a real time and beginner friendly style. Okay, so stay tuned. Whether you are a student, intern, or a cloud enthusiast, this guide will help you to understand how to deploy static websites on AWS EC2 like a pro. Okay, so it will be your hands-on practice, and it could be your a small mini project in a cloud computing. Okay, so by the end of this video you will be you will be able to understand how to launch the EC2 instance. Okay, uh, specifically Ubuntu, connect it via SSH in a CMD of your Windows system, or in a putty like software to get a remote access, and connect it via SSH. Okay, so after this we will install Apache and clone it, and after installing Apache server, a web server that will be used for our hosting purpose. Okay, and then after we will clone our static website from our GitHub. Okay, and host it over EC2 instance using Apache2 server. So stay tuned, and after hosting we will access it using public IP address of your EC2 instance. So let's start with the launching a new EC2 instance from AWS console. Okay, so let me sign in to my AWS account. So I just open your favorite browser, and simply type AWS console, and let me sign in. Okay, click on EC2 instance. Okay, and here click on launch instance option. Okay, we will see, click on this launch instance, and here we will give it as a name, static web server. Okay, and we will go with Ubuntu. Okay, a Debian based Linux operating system, and we will go with all free tier eligible resources. Okay, so there is no we will create a new key pair for our static web server. Okay, static web server. Okay, please keep this note, guys. This .pm file should be present where you will access remote access of your EC2 instance with the .pm file. Okay, so that file will be read by that SSH. Okay, so I will name this key pair as a static web server. Okay, same as EC2 instance name. Okay, create on key pair, and it will download. Okay, then next we have to choose security group from existing one. I will choose default VPC. Okay, and we will use this kind. It will be okay for us. Remain rest of all settings by default. Okay, here again I am guiding you. what we have did here. Okay, so we have name instance name. uh, we have named the instance as a static web server. uh, Below it we have choose the Ubuntu operating system for our use. Okay, which is enough retire eligible resource, right? And below it we have create one key pair login. Okay, we also name it same as our instance name. Okay, and create new pair and download it. And third one setting is select existing security group and choose the default VPC. Okay, uh, click on then launch instance, and it will take some time to launch. Okay, and here we have successfully initiate launch on instance. Okay, this is instance ID. Let us scroll down, and here different options are there. Okay, here is the option connect to your instance. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so we will connect it using SSH in our CMD. Okay, so open CMD. Okay, CMD, and here maximate it. And so I have downloaded the security.pm keypair.pm file in my download folder. So I have to with go go at that location. So I will go with that. So I will type cd and download, enter, and I am here in download folder. Okay, so let me show you that static website.pem file. Okay, so where it is, it should be some static. Here it is, static web server.pem file. Okay, make sure this .pem file should be at the location where we are trying to SSH our EC2 instance. Okay, let me clear the screen. And from here copy this SSH command and paste it here, enter, and give it S. And here we have successfully connected our Ubuntu instance. Okay, so and okay, let's see here. Okay, let me clear the screen first. Clear. Okay, so here we can able to access our Ubuntu instance. Okay, so this is private IP address of our Ubuntu instance. Public IP we will see. Okay, so first now we have successfully launched our EC2 instance. Now we have to create our static website files, or you can copy it from local machine using WinCSP or FileZilla application softwares. I will use I have hosted my static website for a demo purpose. I have push it over my GitHub. Okay, I have share this GitHub repo link in my description box. So you guys could get your help with that. You can use that for your practice. Okay, so I have leave the link in description for static gateway group. Okay, so open that. And here recently given a guide in a readme.tmd file, how to do that. Okay, so we have done here. Okay, so next we will we have to install the Apache 2 in our Ubuntu system. So let's see. Okay, and so to update this instance machine, okay, I will type sudo apt update, hit enter, and it will start updating. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, so it won't take a long time. Okay, and here it is fetching. Okay, it has updated, and now we have to upgrade it with latest one. So for upgrade it, type sudo apt upgrade -y, and in this way we have update and upgrade it successfully. Okay, based on your internet connection, it will take some time based on internet connection. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to install Apache, right? So to install Apache, we will type sudo apt install Apache, right? Apache 2, I think. Give y, okay, we have downloaded Apache 2 server. Now we have to install Git for cloning it from GitHub repo. Okay, so for installing Git, we have to type sudo apt install Git. Okay. So it has already downloaded built in. Okay, so let me clear the screen and see what will be our next step. Here we have downloaded Apache 2 and Git also both. Okay, now we have to go with this Apache root folder. For this we have to type cd where www and html folder. Okay, so we will type cd for change directory, and then where www and html, hit enter, and now you can see we are in this Apache 2 folder. You can see present working directory. Now we have to remove all the files and folders inside this HTML file. So here index.html file is there. So remove that. For remove, type sudo rm and index.html file, or you can simply give asterisk to remove all the all files and directory. And here you can see no one file and folders are there. Okay, then after removing all, we have to clone this repo. Okay, so copy this link, and here we will paste it. Okay, I think type git clone and paste this link of git repo. Okay, and dot. Okay, if it says permission denied, to give sudo command first, and it will start. Okay, So here you can see all the folders and directories are being copied. Okay, we have successfully cloned our GitHub repo here. Okay, so see, we have to it is not mandatory step, it is optional, but see, let's see our static website is running or not, then we will see. Okay, so to see our EC2 instance IP address, we will go it here. You can see our public IPv4 address of our Ubuntu instance. Okay, you can copy it from here. Okay, or you can simply get it using by typing curl ifconfig config dot, and here you can see your public IP address is here. Okay, copy it and open browser and simply type http colon slash slash and your public IP address and hit enter, and here you can see your our static website is running successfully. Okay, so here is my service page of my YouTube channel and my profile. So you can visit our YouTube channel by clicking there. Various GitHub projects regarding cyber security or Python based and ML based projects are there, and Android projects also are there. You must go through it. Okay, here is my portfolio website, and if you want to contact me, here is my mail. You can simply click on and mail me anytime. Okay, so in this way we have successfully hosted our website. Let me know if you have also want to short YouTube description, video, thumbnail, title and shape. Okay, so I will help you regarding that. Okay, so if you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for never skip our updates from latest uploaded videos, where we will explore adding custom domains and SSL status related or advanced steps on AWS services regarding. Okay, so please do subscribe and follow up, and please do share this video in our friend circle. uh, Keep supporting guys, and if you have any doubt or any query, you can reach me, and you can comment it down. Okay, okay guys, thank you. Let's see in next video.